Sure.
if I may, this is core to agentic AI design. Is this sort of malleability or adaptability of connection of it's I don't know, it's prompt engineering squared. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so. I think it goes beyond that, right? It goes
Probably.
like a fundamental redefinition of how you interact with your infrastructure and what your infrastructure needs to do. In the past, would you have expected a storage company to understand the context and actually understand the data that's stored in these systems? Typically not. You would look at some higher level, data company to do that at the end of a process.
This is really interesting
far away. Now you're building that into the infrastructure itself. You still might have some, most companies will still have some broader, data-aware application that does specific things for their industry or for their use case. So there's going to be another layer of abstraction on top of that. But that layer can now semantically interface with the infrastructure and get data, metadata, and context directly out of the infrastructure instead of trying to retrofit it after the fact. That's way more efficient, way more secure, because you can apply guardrails all the way through the entirety of the process. You can prevent data that you don't want to be seen ever from even getting into the pipeline. All of these things, it requires a fundamental rethinking of how you feel about data, how to process data, and what you want to get out of your infrastructure that sits at the heart of your business.